The COVID-19 numbers across Michigan continue to rise, and Governor Gretchen Whitmer is sounding the alarm.
1,597 new cases have been confirmed over the past 24 hours, so our state has now surpassed 150,000 cases since the start of the pandemic. Let's get to Mara McDonald. And Mara, the big question is whether we're getting closer to another lockdown, and given the changes in the Supreme Court ruling, things like that, what would it look like this time around?
So, Devin, here's the answer to that. When you talk to local and state officials, I've never had an answer that was universal to one of my questions, which was just sort of this ugh kind of answer when you ask people, okay, what does a lockdown look like? Nobody's willing to commit to what a hard number looks like, but I will tell you what the two streams of data are that local health departments are really looking at.
I'm just going to be frank. Our numbers are not good. They're moving in the wrong direction.
Nobody in Lansing wants to speculate on what metrics would force another stay-at-home order.
We are at a dangerous moment where there's the possibility of it just becoming community spread that becomes out of control. We're seeing that in a lot of our neighboring states. That's what we're trying to avoid.
Local health departments are really zeroing in on two data streams: hospital capacity levels and age of those getting sick. For example, at the start of the pandemic, the average age of those getting sick in Wayne County was mid to late 50s. Now it's hovering around 34. Would your local health department make the call on a county-wide stay-at-home order? Likely no, is the feedback I'm getting tonight from various county officials. They say an order of that magnitude would have to come from the state. Numbers are rising across the country, especially in the Midwest. Remain vigilant.
It is really troubling to see how things are going up so steeply, and we all have a lot of work to do to try to get this turned around again.
Back here live, we also got new mask advice from the state today, which is this: if you are going to a restaurant and you do plan on eating inside that restaurant, they would like you to keep your mask on while you're at the table and only take it off if you're actively eating. We are live downtown tonight. I'm Mara McDonald. Back to you.
Which was certainly felt like a new directive on the way a lot of us have been responding to that in restaurants. All right, Mara.